Hey everyone, in today's quick guide, I'll show you how to view your screenshots on Steam. Whether you just took an epic in-game moment or want to relive past memories, I'll walk you through it step by step. Let's get started. First, open the Steam client on your computer. If you're not already signed in, log into your Steam account. Next, look at the top left corner of Steam and click on View in the menu bar. From the drop-down menu, select Recordings and Screenshots. This opens the Screenshot Manager where you'll find all your captured moments. In the Screenshot Manager, you'll see a list of your games on the left. Click on the game you want to see screenshots for. All the screenshots from that game will appear in the main window. If you want to access the raw screenshot files, click Show on Disk in the Screenshot Manager. This opens the folder on your computer where Steam stores the screenshots. If you don't know how to take a screenshot, the default key is F12 while playing a game, and that's it. Now you know how to find, view, and manage your Steam screenshots. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tips and tricks. Happy gaming, and I'll see you in the next one.